How tantalizing to see all your shining young faces on this auspicious day. I am Dr. Volumnia Gall, your humble head game maker in charge of the War Department and all its affiliated concerns. I've broken free of my laboratory today to examine you, the leaders of the next generation. I won't be around forever after all. And now to that end, I am honored to introduce to you the creator of the Hunger Games themselves, Dean Casca Highbottom.
Select students, faculty, and of course, Dr. Gall. I have summoned you all here today for the 10th annual reaping ceremony, in which we choose 2 children from each district to throw into the Capitol arena to fight to the death in the Hunger Games.